Open and arrange the two PriMus-K documents. With a drag and drop you can easily get an activity from the activities list contained in a different document. Specify the total quantity of the added activity and confirm. You can also acquire an entire group of activities. Specify the quantity for each activity of the inserted group. Replace an activity with a drag and drop replace feature. Insert the quantity or just confirm if unchanged. The activities released in the activity table are also copied in the document's activities list editor. In the activities list editor, you also have the analyzed activities and their relating resources.